Hey gang, it's me, Fast Eddie from Fast Eddys Keys Express locksmiths from Minneapolis, Minnesota. So today what we're going to do is we're going to install 3 Trilogy locks. Now, as you know, I've done Trilogy before. 2 of them are going to be wood applications. The third one I've never done before. It's a mortise lock application. It's going to be a little difficult. Hope you like the video. Tearing the door down. All the lovely parts. This is the mortise lock one. T2 Trilogy mortise lock. Okay, so this is a Trilogy T2, but it's a mortise lock. And we're prepping the door for that right now. We drilled all these holes. It's kind of a big deal because it's my first one. So we're freehanding it because we can't find a proper template to mark it and drill with. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Look at the outside real quick. We cut the outside already. That's what we're looking at. And almost there. Got the outside done. Now we just got to do the rest of the inside. And that's the plate for the inside. And we got to put the lever handle on and the battery pack. Okay, folks, this is the finished product. Battery pack's in. It works beautiful. And this is the outside. Yeah, slick, huh? That's how it's done. And that's the T2 on a regular wooden door. That's fully installed now. Perfect. So there we go. All done. Yeah, the mortise lock actually went better than I had hoped. It went very well. So essentially what we did was 2 wood application T2 Trilogy keyless entry locks and 1 mortise Trilogy keyless entry lock, T2 also. So a job like that, the 3 locks, install, labor and trip charge came to $4,400. Yep, $4,400. Sounds expensive, I know. But Trilogy is the best made. Trilogy has a battery in there that recharges. And the way it recharges itself is every time you turn the lever, you punch the code in and turn the lever, it sends a shock of electricity or voltage to these rechargeable batteries. So the batteries stay charged for 8 to 10 years. That's a long time. And these T2s, if I'm not mistaken, can hold up to a couple hundred access codes for your employees per unit. They're a tremendous lock. I love them to death. They are expensive, but they're well worth it. Trust me, folks. They're weatherproof, and shockproof. You can beat the hell out of them with a hammer. It doesn't matter. They're the best out there. So if you're interested in having us do one for you, give me a call, 612-822-3773. And thank you.